Engineering students may consider career opportunities in core blockchain technology technical role. With blockchain technology still in its infancy, there is an increasing demand for certified blockchain technology professionals. The numerous specific roles can be bifurcated broadly based on their key responsibilities. A blockchain developer will be one who is involved in the development, management, and ensuring the security of the entire blockchain technology backbone, framework, and its components. Programming experience and also knowledge of blockchain protocol such as Hyperledger, Fabric is essential for this role. The average salary in the range between $90,000 to $115,000 per annum today. There is also a blockchain project manager who is in charge of solution design, implementation process, and other managerial decision making. The average salary is in the range between $130,000 to $140,000. Another avenue in the blockchain user interface designer or UX designer. This has become an extremely important function for the purpose of improving the aesthetics of the front-end interface that is used commonly by customers. The average salary is in the range between $115,000 to $130,000. Then again, the blockchain quality engineer will be retained by companies to take care of the quality assurance throughout, including software testing, both for load and functionality. He will also have additional responsibility for overseeing the project development in a seamless manner. The average salary ranges between $140,000 to $155,000. The role of the blockchain architect is to infuse the concept of blockchain technology in building and designing new solutions for the company. The average salary is in the range between $150,000 to $175,000. The blockchain research analysis determines the effectiveness of the blockchain, identifies areas for improvement, and develops strategies for implementing changes in it. The average salary is in the range between $85,000 to $115,000. With the growth in demand for blockchain technology professionals, it has become increasingly important to recruit an efficient and effective blockchain technical recruiter who understands the conceptual framework of blockchain technology as well as the skill sets to attract the right talent in the organization. He or she is responsible for hunting blockchain talent. The average salary is in the range between $108,000 to $120,000. You as potential experts in blockchain technology need to have a specific skill requirement for becoming successful. The blockchain developer is one of the most sought after roles in the blockchain industry. At the moment and over the next 5 years, there is going to be an immense dearth of talented professionals who have completed at least 2 or 3 life cycles of establishing a blockchain technology framework. Like for example, typically a blockchain developer for Ethereum blockchain requires to have adequate knowledge of Solidity programming language. This is inspired from C++, JavaScript, and Python. So what are the specific skill sets required that will make you stand out among the rest of the candidates a beginners need to know? Point number 1. Command line. Unix or Linux command line interface. Beginners should have a thorough knowledge of command line programming, either on Unix or Linux command line interface. The Gwin Linux emulator on Windows operating system is most ideal. For the Mac, built-in command line is great. Point number 2. JavaScript knowledge is extremely helpful. JavaScript is a client-side scripting language. Computation is done on the server. Point number 3. Node.js. Learn and understand the blockchain basics because many blockchain frameworks are built on top of Node.js. This enables developers to write server-side application for JavaScript. Blockchain-specific skill set required are: point number 4. Solidity, which is a programming code used for implementing smart contracts on various blockchain platforms and has specifically become famous due to its use in Ethereum. It has easy syntax. Point number 5. Web 3.js. Web3 library can be easily installed into JavaScript and allows decentralized application to run and retrieve information from blockchain defined by the user. Local testnet and Ethereum mainnet can be connected through MetaMask and Web3.js. Web3.js allows to interact with local or remote Ethereum node using HTTP or IPC connection. It bridges the gap between traditional and decentralized world and connects Ethereum blockchain with client browser through a browser extension such as MetaMask. Most common web browsers do not support Web3, so easy to use MetaMask is good. Point number 6. Truffle Suite. The Truffle Suite ecosystem is primarily for Web 3.0 development, comprising of 3 tools, namely Truffle, Ganache, and Drizzle. Truffle is a development environment, asset pipeline, and testing framework for developing smart contracts. Truffle is the framework that facilitates development, testing, and deployment of full-stack dApps. Comes with framework itself, excellent development environment for writing and deployment of smart contracts within minutes. Testing is easy with choice of Solidity and JavaScript. Command line is easy to use. Development within minutes, working is extremely easy. More recently, during the last couple of decades, the significant increase in computing power has transformed how business is performed. Innovations and developments in the fintech ecosystem have gradually changed hands from large financial institutions to technology-based companies. Automated lending and borrowing mechanisms have increased the ease of access to capital for businesses. Also, online internet-based decision-making systems have automated business activities. What is more important is that technology-based companies are more agile given that they have lower regulatory oversight as compared to traditional financial services companies. This has also increased the enterprise valuation of technology companies. Most of the new set of unicorns are in the technology industry. Even some of the largest stock brokers having automated online trading systems have only been set up in the last decade. These new startups have eclipsed even large financial institutions by offering discount brokerage and automated AI/ML-based services to their clients. This global business transformation using blockchain technology has increased demand for career professionals. Technology-based companies have come to largely dominate the financial services industry with peer-to-peer lending, crowdfunding, automated robo-advisors, big data analysis using AI, ML, and online web portals for ease of access to last-mile customers. Contemporary technology based on Industry 4.0 initiatives have led to the application of blockchain technology, AI, ML, big data, and Internet of Things in manufacturing for development of new production methods and streamlining supply chain management. The blockchain technology has decreased the expense and time taken for identification of defects and their overhaul due to its decentralized and distributed architecture. This new technology, along with future potential for Web 3.0 and Metaverse, is expected to transform the way we do business, manufacture goods, and other services. Stay tuned for the next session to continue your learning.